Are you in the dental industry and looking for a temporary job placement? Or are you an employer who's looking for temporary dental associates? If so, look no further than Temp Day. The Temp Day app is modernizing the temporary job placement service in the dental industry by providing instant connections between employers and available job seekers. You'll no longer need to scan multiple online message boards, groups, or social media outlets to find temporary work. Same-day job placements are finally only a few clicks away. To begin, users can simply sign up for Temp Day with an email address as either a potential employee or employer looking for job seekers. Employers, your days of dealing with your slow local temp agency are over. Temp Day gives you the ability to quickly and easily search for and contact professionals that meet your job requirements. You'll only see staff that are available for the dates you need. Potential employees will receive an instant alert on their mobile device when you initiate contact. Communicate securely in Temp Day and submit job offers. Employers will enjoy a low flat rate placement fee for each day worked by the temp. Job seekers, create a profile and post the days you're available to work on your personal calendar. You'll receive alerts when an employer needs your help. You can look at the job offer and also see their ratings and reviews before choosing to accept the position. Temp Day is always free for job seekers to use. What are you waiting for? Download the Temp Day app today.